When should I use an and versus and in JavaScript? Imagine you're building a website and want to check if two conditions are true before running some code. You might wonder which operator to use. Well, in JavaScript, there are two main types of operators that look similar but serve very different purposes. Let's break down when to use each one so your code works perfectly every time. First, the double ampersand symbol, which is an and, is called the logical and operator. It is used to combine multiple conditions and control flow statements like if or while loops. When you use an and, JavaScript evaluates the expressions from left to right. If the first condition is false, it stops right there and doesn't check the second one. This is called short-circuit evaluation. It saves time and resources because it avoids unnecessary checks. For example, if you want to check if a user is logged in and has permission, you write, if user is logged in and user has permission. The code inside runs only if both conditions are true. On the other hand, the single ampersand symbol, which is and, is a bitwise and operator. It works on the binary from of numbers, not on true or false conditions. It compares each bit of to numbers and returns a new number where each bit is 1 only if both bits were 1. For example, if you have 12 and 10 in binary, which are 1100 and 1010, doing 12 and 10 gives you 8, which is 1000 in binary. This operator is used in low-level programming tasks, like setting or checking specific bits in data, not in everyday logical checks. So, the main difference is that an and is for logical conditions and short circuits when the first condition is false. It is what you want when checking multiple true or false statements. The and operator is for binary operations on numbers, useful in special cases like working with flags or binary data. In most web development tasks, you will use an and because it makes your code clearer and more efficient when dealing with conditions. Use and only when you need to manipulate bits directly, which is rare in typical JavaScript projects. Remember, choosing the right operator helps keep your code correct and easy to understand.